Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the QR or link, so start by opening it on your phone. Scan the QR or paste the URL into your browser and wait for the page to fully load. Make sure the address uses HTTPS and that the page displays correctly on mobile. Once done, keep this tab active. You'll use the browser's sharing controls next. This avoids broken shortcuts and ensures favicon or preview images load for a clean home icon. Now perform the actionable step in your browser. On iPhone, tap the Share button, choose Add to Home Screen, edit the title if desired, then tap Add. On Android Chrome, open the three-dot menu and select Add to Home Screen, edit the name, then Confirm. If your browser differs, look for Share or Add shortcut options. Most modern browsers support it. Make sure you give the shortcut a concise name so the icon fits on your home screen without truncation. Finish by positioning the new icon where you want it, then tap it to confirm the link opens correctly. If it fails, reload the original page, clear your browser cache, and try adding again. Sometimes favicons or snapshots don't generate on the first attempt. If problems persist, recreate the QR from the canonical HTTPS URL without tracking parameters, then scan or open that link and repeat the Add to Home process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.